cotton material guys, plus only 229 pesos. Guys, nabababaan ako guys sa likes natin. Pwede bang palambing ako sa inyo? Okay? Give me at least, okay, 100k likes guys. Magpapa-abreveal po tayo for 5 seconds. Okay? Abreveal tayo guys for 5 seconds kapag na-reach po natin yung 100k likes. Kaya ba guys? Kaya ba? Kayang-kaya natin yan. Kayo pa ba? Siyempre. Hindi nyo ako bibigoyin. Naman, di ba? Okay, give me at least 100k likes guys. Magpapa-abreveal po tayo right here, right now, tonight na po siya. Okay? Come on guys, power tap the screen. Okay, may liquid do. Yung lapel mo po, okay. Yung lapel ko po guys, anong meron sa lapel ko? Okay, wait lang. Isin natin, yan. As you can see guys, give me at least 100k likes. Okay? 100k likes guys, come on. Magpapa-abreveal po tayo. Okay, next one. Basket number 3. For basket number 3 guys, this one po you again, yung ating men's 3-in-1 boxer brief po natin. Okay? For the men's 3-in-1 boxer brief po natin guys, I'm wearing it right now. Wait lang. Okay. For the men's 3-in-1 boxer brief po natin guys, I'm wearing it right now. This one po guys, yung ating men's 3-in-1 boxer po natin. Men's, which means guys, 3 pieces na po siya. Okay? 3 pieces na po to guys, yung ating men's 3-in-1 boxer brief for only guys 599 pesos. Kaya guys, keep on check out tayo for basket number 3. Okay? Come on guys, give me at least 100k likes. Okay? 100k likes guys, magpapa-abreveal po tayo for 10 seconds. Okay? 10 seconds guys, come on, keep on power tap our screen and share our live stream. Okay? Yan. Okay. 1, basket number 2. Next one. Okay. For basket number 3 natin, guys, ito na siya. Okay? Basket number number 11. You can check out na po for this one. Okay? Guys, give me at least 3 items sold for this one, guys. Magpapa-reveal na po tayo. Okay? Okay, ito muna, guys, oh. Oh, huy! Yan. Guys, give me at least 3 items sold po. Magpapa-reveal na po tayo ng abs. Okay. We just reached, guys, 100K for 5 seconds. Okay. Give me at least 3 items sold, guys. Come on. 3 items sold, guys, for basket number 11. Magpapa-reveal na po tayo for 10 seconds. Okay? Come on, guys. Para po kay Alex, yan. Alex, 100K na. Ano IG ni Kuya? Guys, may ING po is CJ Albert. Okay? CJ Albert, guys. Next one, guys, as you can see, ito siya. Basket number 11. Basket number 11, guys, magpapa-reveal po tayo once we reach po at least give me 3 items sold. Okay? 3 items sold, guys. Okay, change to sando guys. Wala po tayong sando dala dito as of now. Okay, kaya guys, ito lang po yung suit natin. Okay? Okay, ano ba name nito? Okay? Okay, 15 seconds daw kay Jaden guys. Kaya din po natin yung guys. Kaya din natin yan. Okay? CJ Abweg po. Okay, yan. Kailam, yan, Liam, thank you so much po for your comment. Yan. Abwega po. Wala pong A sa dulo, guys. Wala siyang A sa dulo. Okay, CJ Abwega. Yan. Kalida, yan. Yan. Thank you so much po for your comment, guys. This one. Next one. Basket number. Okay, 12. For basket number 12, guys. Bago po natin siya i-flex, guys. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 3 seconds. Okay? 3 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. 3 seconds lang, guys. Usapan natin. Okay na yun. Kung gusto nyo guys, mas matagal, give me at least 8 items sold. Okay?